Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Sati Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Sila Nan Goswami Maharaj. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Vishnupad Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and present all respectful guests. So today is very super excellent auspicious day because today is called Hera Panchami. And in Odia language, Hera means to search. And Panchami means 5 days from the car festival Rath Yatra. For this regard, today is called Hera Panchami. When 23rd of June, Jagannath Rath started, and today 27. So today 5 days from
Gurudev is offline. One moment, please.
Did you listen my voice?
Yes, okay. Gurudev, we can hear you now.
Okay. So today is called the super excellent auspicious day. That is called Hera Panchami. Just to explain, Hera means to search. Panchami means 5 days from the Jagannath Cart Festival. Then, as Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained, Jagannath is now staying in Gundicha temple, and we will be staying in Gundicha temple 9 days. And Navadin Gundichate Rahe Jagannath Mahaprabhu Iche Lila Kare Bhakta Sat Jagannath Vallabh Nam Bada Pushparam Navadin Kare Prabhu Tahate Visram Hera Panchami Din Aila Janiya Kasi Misri Kahe Raja Sajatna Koriya কাল হবে হীরা পঞ্চমী হবে লক্ষ্মীর বিজয় ওইছে উৎসব কর যেন কভু নাহি হয় মহোৎসব কর জইছে বিশেষ সম্ভার দেখি মহাপ্রভু জইছে হয় চমৎকার ঠাকুরের ভান্ডার আর আমার ভান্ডারে চিত্র বস্ত্র কিঙ্কিনি আর ছত্র ছত্র চামরে ধ্বজা বৃন্দ পতাকা ঘটায় করহ মণ্ডন নানাবাদ্যে নিত্য দোলায় করহ সাজন দ্বিগুণ করিয়া কর এই সব উপহার রথযাত্রা হইতে জইছে হয় চমৎকার এই তো কহিল প্রভু লয়া ভক্তগণ স্বচ্ছন্দে বসিয়া জইছে করে দর্শন when Hera Panchami they came, then Lord King Prataprudra, he told to Kasi Mishra. So now we will arrange very nice, beautiful festival that is called Lakshmi Vijay. That is a victory of Lakshmi. And this festival will be very nice, more than the cart festival. And Mahotsav kora jaiche Vishesha Sambhar, dekhi Mahaprabhu jaiche hoy chamatkar. And he will nicely arrange this festival that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very pleased. Thakurer Bhandar or Amar Bhandari Chitra Vastra Kinkoni or Chhatra Chamara. And you also arrange and decorate the very nicely, and with many kinds of ingredients as like umbrella, chamar, then dhaja pataka, that means what is called, and flag, and also ghanta, bells, and also arrange very nice, beautiful one palanquin where Lakshmi Devi, she will be sit and she had to proceed to search Jagannath where he is staying. দ্বিগুণ করিয়া কর সব উপহার, রথযাত্রা হইতে যেতে হয় চমৎকার। এই তো হইল প্রভু লয়া ভক্তগণ, স্বচ্ছন্দে আসিয়া জইছে করে দর্শন। প্রাতঃকালে মহাপুরু নিজ ভক্ত লয়া, জগন্নাথ দর্শন কইল সুন্দর চলির লয়া। Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Balgandi, so every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go early in the morning to take darshan to Lord Jagannath in Gundicha temple. After taking darshan to Gundicha, that means Sundarachal, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back to Nilachal, Jagannath temple. দেখি উৎকণ্ঠা হইল পঞ্চমী দিন, কাশী মিশ্র প্রভুরে বহু আদর করিয়া সগন সহ ভালো স্থানে বসাইল। Then Kashi Mishra, he arranged very nice beautiful place where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can sit with his own associate Parikar. রস বিশেষের প্রভুর শুনিতে মন হইল, ঈষৎ হাসিয়া প্রভু স্বরূপে পুছিল, যদ্যপি জগন্নাথ করেন দ্বারকা বিহার, সহজ করে পরম উদার, তথাপি বৎসর মধ্যে হয় একবার বৃন্দাবন দেখিতে চায় যায় তার উৎকণ্ঠা অপার। বৃন্দাবন সম এই উপবন তাহা দেখিবারে উৎকণ্ঠিত হয় মন। বাহির হইতে করে রথযাত্রা চল, সন্ধ্যাচলে যায় প্রভু ছাড়ি নীলাচল। নানা পুষ্পোদ্যানে তথা খেলে রাত্রি দিনে, লক্ষ্মী দেবীর সঙ্গে নাহি লয় কি কারণে। Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is eager to listen Ras Madhurya Katha. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and he also discussed with Swarup Damodar. Lord Jagannath, he lives in Dwarka and performs sweet lila in Dwarka. Vaikuntha Janitu Vara Darvatta Jatra Keloti Prabhu Sadur Atmaja Brita. Because Dwarkapuri is higher than Vaikuntha because Krishna, he performs sweet lila with his queens and his daughters, sons, and especially Baladev Prabhu is there. But Jagannath being Krishna, he has so much attachment with Vrindavan. For this regard, once a year he goes to Vrindavan. প্রতি বছর মধ্যে হয় একবার বৃন্দাবন দেখি তার উৎকণ্ঠ অপার। বৃন্দাবন সম এই উপবনগণ দেখিবারে উৎকণ্ঠ হয় মন। That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that is called the Sundarachal as like Vrindavan, and this is very nice beautiful place, so many kinds of uddipan stimulation as like Vrindavan. So Lord Jagannath, that means Krishna, used to go to Sundarachal, that means Vrindavan, and in this way Lord Jagannath, he gives darshan to all the fallen living entities. So nana nahi like karone. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Swarup Damodar, is Sundarachal as like Vrindavan? And Lord Jagannath, he Vrindavan. So while Krishna, that means that Krishna, he did not take to Lakshmi Devi with him. Lakshmi Devi sange nahi loy ki karan. What is the reason? Krishna, he took with his sister Subhadra and his brother Baladev Prabhu. Why did not take to Lakshmi Devi with him? स्वरूप कहे सुनो यार कारण वृंदावन क्रीड़ाते लक्ष्मी रे नहीं अधिकार वृंदावन लीला कृष्ण सहाय गोपीगण गोपीगण बिना कृष्ण हरिते नारे मन. And then Sarup Damodar, very nice and sweet word told. Listen, Prabhu, because Lakshmi Devi, she has no qualification to stay in Vrindavan and perform sweet Leela with Krishna. Sarup kahes, सुनो प्रभु यार कारण वृंदावन क्रीड़ाते लक्ष्मी नहीं अधिकार. वृंदावन लीलाय कृष्ण सहाय गोपीगण गोपीगण बिना कृष्ण हरिते नारे मन. In Vrindavan Leela, only gopis they can, or without gopis, Krishna can't to perform sweet Leela in Vrindavan. And only gopis they can to take the heart of Krishna. But Lakshmi has no this qualification. And कृष्ण के हृदय के चोरी करने के लक्ष्मी के शक्ति नहीं है, गोपियां की शक्ति है. And gopis can steal the heart of Krishna. प्रभु के यात्रा चले कृष्ण रे गमन सुभद्रा बलदेव संगे दुईजन गोपीगण संगे जत लीला लीला आई उपवन निगूढ़ कृष्ण भाव केहू नहीं जाने. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, told, ये प्रभु कहे यात्रा चले, and Krishna, he took himself with his sister Subhadra and brother Baladev. Gopigan sang Jata Leela Hoy Upavane, and he performed sweet Leela in Vrindavan. And but very difficult to realize the heart of Krishna. অতএব কৃষ্ণের প্রাকট্যে কিছু নাই দোষ, তবে কেন লক্ষ্মী দেবী করে এত রোষ? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks, this is true, Lakshmi Devi, she has no qualification to attend in Vrindavan Leela. So why Lakshmi Devi, she become very angry? What is the reason? With Krishna, he is angry with Krishna. অতএব কৃষ্ণের প্রাকট্যে নাহি কিছু দোষ, তবে কেন লক্ষ্মী দেবী করে এত রোষ? স্বরূপ কহে প্রেমবতীর এই তো স্বভাব, কান্তের উদাস্য লেসে হয় ক্রোধাভাব. Then Sarup Damodar, he told, because Lakshmi Devi, she has also love and affection with Krishna. This is true. So when Krishna little bit indifference from him, udasina bhav, then Lakshmi Devi, she become very angry. This is the nature of love. प्रेम के स्वभाव क्या है? कोई यदि उदासीनता देगा, उदासीनता मीन्स इंडिफरेंस, तो उसके क्रोध आता है. হেন কালে খচি দি যাহে বিবিধরতন সুবর্ণে চৌতালা করি আরোহণ ছত্র চামর ধ্বজা পতাকারগণ নানাবদ্ধ আগে নাচি দেবদাসীগণ তাম্বুল সম্পুর ঝাড়ি ব্যজন চামর সাথে দাসী শতহার দিব্য ভূষাম্বর অনেক ঐশ্বর্য সঙ্গে বহু পরিগর ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইল সিংহ দ্বারে জগন্নাথের মুখ্য মুখ্য ভৃত্যগণে. Then after a few minutes, then very nice beautiful drama is going on. What is the drama? Lakshmi Devi, she seated very nice beautiful palanquin, palk mein बैठी, and Lakshmi Devi, she decorate her body with many kinds of ornaments. And some they also hold umbrella over her head, some also fanning chamar, some also holding the dhwaj and pataka, and flag, etc. And some also playing different kind of instruments, Nana Baddha, and all the Dev Dasis, they are dancing and singing. Eh? And Tamul Samput, Jhari, Bajon, Chamar, Sate Das Dati, Jata, Har Dibba, Bhusa Ambar. And Lakshmi Devi is very nicely decorated and her body, and she also chewing the betel nut, and also with her many kinds of maid servants. And অনেক ঐশ্বর্যের সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইল সিংহদ্বার. Then Lakshmi Devi, they become very angry. She decorated very nice, beautiful. অনেক ঐশ্বর্যের সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইল সিংহদ্বার. জগন্নাথের মুখ্য মুখ্য যত ভক্তগণ লক্ষ্মী দাস দেশী করেন বন্ধন. বাঁধিয়া আনিয়া পড়ে লক্ষ্মীর চরণে, চলে দণ্ড করে যে যেন লয় নানা ধনে. অচেতন তারে করেন তাড়নে, নানা মত গালি দেয় ভণ্ড বহু জনে. লক্ষ্মী সঙ্গে দাস দাসী প্রাগল্ভ দেখিয়া, হাসে মহাপ্রভুগণ মুখে হস্ত দিয়া. Here Lakshmi Devi, she came in front of Lord Jagannath. Then first Lakshmi Devi, she also bind to all the servants of Jagannath. Lakshmi Devi das dasigan kare bandhan. Bandhi anen pore Lakshmi charane, and they also put to them on the lotus feet of Lakshmi Devi. समझ में है? All the servants, they bind to the servants of Jagannath. চোরে দণ্ড করে যেন লয় নানা ধনে, অচেতন বোধ করে না তাড়ন ভৎসনে, নানা মত গালি দেয় ভণ্ড বচনে. লক্ষ্মীর সঙ্গে দাসী প্রগল্ভা দেখিয়া, মহাপ্রভুগণ যুথে হাসে হস্তমুখ দিয়া. And then Mahaprabhu smiled and closed his mouth with his hand. Why? Because Mahaprabhu noticed how Lakshmi Devi, she is very arrogant. Arrogant, understand? Pragalbha. दामोदर कही जैसे मानेर प्रकार, त्रिजगते कहा नहीं देखी सुनी आर. मानिनी निरुत्साह छाड़ी विभूषण घूमे बसी लेखे नखे लेखे मलिन बदन. पूर्वे सत्यभमार सुनी एवं विद्यमान, ब्रजे गोपीगणेर मान रसेर निधान. इह निज सम्पत्ति सब प्रकट करिया, प्रिय रूप ऊपर जाय सैन्य साजाइया. Then when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu laughs, then Sarup Damodar told Prabhu, listen, I never heard these types of man anger. तीसरी तो कहीं देखने मानिनी निरुत्साह, and if he is beloved and in difference from him, her, then she will be there to give up for her ornaments and going to the Mankop, Man Bhavan. Man Bhavan, one particular Kopo Bhavan. Okay. She will go there. But here Lakshmi Devi completely different. Actually, Lakshmi Devi, she decorated very nice, beautiful cloth and chewing betel nuts and very nice, beautiful, gorgeous silken cloth and but what kinds of this man? We heard about Satyabhama's man. Very nice, beautiful this katha, this Satyabhama's man also in there. Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad explained in Bhagavatamritam, and also Lalit Madhav, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained the man also. And they want she arranged very nice lila in Dwarkapuri. Krishna very early in the morning wake up. Then Krishna saw and all his cowherd boy very close to his Jognath. She arranged all these the statue. Then cowherd boys and cows are there. So Krishna when wake up early in the morning, Krishna is thinking, oh, I'm not in Dwarkapuri. Just actually I'm in Vrindavan. And maybe in my dream had come. Yeah, I am in Dwarka and married many queens, many sons and daughters. And must be this is my dream. Actual now in Vrindavan. When Krishna wake up early in the morning, and then Krishna saw the cowherd boys, calves, cows. Then Krishna is thinking, I have to go herding the cows. And then Krishna proceeds. When Krishna proceeds, then Krishna saw Mother Jasoda is there. Because actual all there is called a statue, not real. Mother Jasoda, she is also churning the yogurt and very nice fresh butter coming. And then Krishna is thinking, oh, I have to go to herding the cows. Then Krishna very quickly came and embraced the neck of the Mother Jasoda. Understand? This is actually this is a statue. But Krishna is thinking, I am real in Vrindavan. And Krishna took the butter from the hand of Mother Jasoda. And then Krishna noticed Mother Jasoda, she is shedding the tears. Then Krishna embraced to Mother Jasoda and Pasuri, Mother, don't worry. Just I am going to herding the cows. Soon I will return back. In this way, Mother Krishna again and again embraced to Mother Jasoda and kissing as like, baby, what is your dream? Then Krishna proceeds. Then Krishna he saw, oh, Baladev Prabhu is there. Also Baladev Prabhu is going to herding the cows. These things. But actually all this statue ain't going there. Then Krishna he saw, oh, some gopis. They are little bit far. And with their sidelong glance and looking to him. And then Krishna is thinking, oh, these gopis, though Krishna is also pacified with them. Hey, gopis, don't cry. Just I am going to herding the cows. Then soon I return back, I will meet with you. In this way. Then Krishna is there. Then Krishna again more proceed. Then Krishna Srimati Radhika little bit far. Actually, this is also statue. All these statues. But Krishna is thinking everything is your origin. Then Krishna very quickly came in front of Srimati Radhika and also embraced to Srimati Radhika and touched her Radhika chin and with her flute and touch her head and Krishna saying, hey Radhika, don't cry, I am coming. And maybe you should come in midday and we'll meet with you in Radha Kunda something Devi Krishna. And Krishna is thinking of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna is going in this way. Then Krishna came very close to one place, very nice, beautiful place. And so the cowherd boys are there, calves and cows. And Krishna is very happy. You think, oh, this I am now real Vrindavan. This is Vrindavan. And then after few hours, a few minutes, then Krishna he noticed the water of the ocean blue color. So Krishna is thinking, I am in now Vrindavan, gopis, cows, everything is done. And trees, all the trees of Vrindavan, how beautiful, peacock, peahen, deer, everything is there. So Krishna is thinking now in Vrindavan. And then after a few minutes, Krishna, he was running here and there. Then he noticed the big waves are coming. Krishna is thinking, am I Vrindavan, a real Vrindavan? Because in Jamuna, I never saw this big waves. Eh? It's a real Vrindavan. Then Krishna, again and again, he noticed, oh, this is not Vrindavan. I am in Dwaraka, Dwarikapuri. Eh? And then Krishna is again, and Krishna saw these calves, cows, everything is actual statue. And now coming in this actual when Krishna proceed to herding the cows, beautiful platform. eh, Then all the residents of Dwaraka, they can see Krishna's spontaneous Vrindavan form. Eh, So for this regard, others of Dwarakas, even Uddhav, and all they are eh, standing one very nice, beautiful platform. All they are looking, watching how Krishna. Um, and in that time also Kamsa's wife, what is her name? What is her name? Not Kamsa's wife. Kamsa's mother, Ugrasen's wife, Padma. She was very old. And when she saw Krishna's this very nice, beautiful Vrindavan form, and how Krishna is running, control her turns into lust. She's thinking real Krishna is there. So she was very eager to go out, and she wants to hold to Krishna, but in there everybody stopped to her. Said, hey, you are old lady. Why was because Krishna's Vrindavan form and Vrindavan activities and so much intoxicated in the heart of the all the living entities. What will say? So anyhow, they stopped, and all the queens of Dwaraka, Rukmini, Satyabhama, they were watching how Krishna running, how Krishna was running, and on the behind the cow herd boys, and also calves and these cow, this and now. And how Krishna also embraced Srimati Radhika, and then all the queens they become very upset, and especially Satyabhama, become very angry. She cannot tolerate, because she realized, oh, Krishna has so much love and affection with Srimati Radhika. Okay, Satyabhama, she very quickly left that place, that platform, in the drama platform. She left and she entered in her Kopa Bhavana. And now coming the Krishna, when he saw, I am not in Vrindavan. Actually, this is Dwaraka, and all these are the statues. Actually, this is not a real and cows or calves or trees or these. Then Krishna is a little bit upset. Then Krishna returned back. Then Uddhava very nicely arranged to arrange for Krishna's and sitting place, especially in Sudharma Sabha, and all the Dwarkavasi, they all seated. Krishna also said, but Krishna now is very serious, Gambhir. All the queens also seated in there. Now Krishna noticed, but Krishna's little bit upset and serious mind. Like Krishna, after a few minutes, Krishna, he asked, where is Satyabhama? Satyabhama, you know, all the queens are there. But only the absence of Satyabhama. Then Krishna asks to Uddhav, where is Satyabhama? Then Uddhav told, Prabhu, you manifest your very nice, beautiful Vrindavan form and Vrindavan Leela, these things. And so Satyabhama, she noticed your Vrindavan activities and how much you have love and affection with the residents of Vrindavan, especially you have love and affection with Srimati Radhika, these things. And then Krishna become very serious. Krishna told Uddhav, now you have to give inform to Satyabhama. At once she have to attend in my Sabha. Sabha means in this assembly. Otherwise, I will get out from my Dwarkapuri. I will never meet with her. Then Uddhama, he Satyabhama, listen, now you have to give up your man. Today Krishna will not pacify to your anger man. Before Krishna also pacified the man of Satyabhama. One day I told this katha. Once Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi offered one parijat flowers to Krishna. Then Krishna that flower he gave in the hand of Rukmini. Then Satyabhama became very angry and she did man. Then Krishna pacified her man. Then Krishna and Satyabhama went to heaven Sargoloka and uprooted the whole Satyabhama tree, Parijat tree, and planted on the courtyards of Satyabhama. So Uddhav he told, hey Satyabhama, listen, today you have to give up your man. And you have to dress a very nice, beautiful, royal queen's dress, Rani dress. And you have to attend the meeting assembly house of Sudharma Sabha. Otherwise, Krishna will kick out you and give up you to you forever. When heard this, Satyabhama become very choked. Then Satyabhama, she also dresses the royal dress. But her is mind very disturbed. She came and she was sitting little bit far in the Sudharma Sabha. And she was very also upset mind and also shedding tears. Then Krishna became very serious. Krishna started to speak. All you have seen my Vrindavan mood. This is true. When I was in Vrindavan, how the residents of Vrindavan, they have love and affection. I am staying in Dwarkapuri here and staying with with you, but I am not happy. Only my body is here, but my mind and soul always in Vrindavan. And Krishna start to speak in this way. And especially Krishna told the daughter of Satrajit, Satyabhama, she did man. She tried to compare with the gopis, especially Srimati Radhika. Where is the gopis and gopis among the gopis and Srimati Radhika? Hari Satyabhama. Nothing. Gopis mood, especially Srimati Radhika's mood, Srimati Radhika's beauty and her activities, and I cannot see anything in Vrindavan, any of the queens. But you are thinking, and oh, we are same the qualities of gopis, especially Srimati Radhika. Where is the gopis? How they are beautiful, their activities, or where are you? Nothing you are. Krishna become very serious and do these things. Vrindavan is my heart and soul. I am not a lusty person. I married with all you 16,108. Why? Not for my own sense gratification of desire. Just little bit some uddipan, stimulation in my heart. For this regard, I married with you. But if you compare with gopis and especially Srimati Radhika, all you are completely what? Useless. Understand this? But and all you are thinking, oh, we are the rival of gopis. Nothing worse. How they are love and affection, and especially Krishna very heavily chastised to Satyabhama. Yeah? Krishna told, and if you don't like, I will kick out you also. And why I am staying in Tarakapuri? Gopis, they are always crying for me. I know. All the Brajavasis, day and night, they are crying for me. And because why I am staying here, if you ask me why I am staying here, because Gopis, they did not give me permission to go back to Vrindavan. Eh? Because I have come here, some reason here. What is my reason? Because I have to kill many demons. Eh? I have to kill many demons in here. And if the Gopi will give me the permission, any second, any moment, I will give up all you and to go to Vrindavan. Eh? Understand? Because Vrindavan is my heart and soul. And then all the people of the assembly house, they become very choked and they start to also say how Krishna is very serious. And here also saying in this for this regard, here Sarup Damodar also explained the Satyabhama's man actually not is that the real man. That is called Mana Bhas. Mana Bhas, the emblem of man. But what is the perfect man? What is the meaning of the man? Man is means when the sneha, man, pranay, rag, unurag, bhav, mahabhav. With this love is going more and more and condensed. When sneha more condensed, that is called pranay. Pranay means body, mind, everything is oneness to lover and beloved. That is called pranay. That is called the pranay. Your heart, my heart is same. Even your cloth, everything is what? Non-different from me. That is called pranay. And when this pranay and more condensed, that is called man coming. This is that. Or another hand also Shastra saying sneha, after sneha means chitta dravagata and melted the heart. When love condenses, that transfer in the form of sneha. Sneha bandhan. That time lover and beloved, they also bind with their affection, sneha. Or when this sneha more condenses, then coming also man. Man means not actual anger. Man is one thing. When beloved, they realize to each other, without him or without her, I can't to survive my life. And that time anger coming. What is the anger? That time she's thinking, that Krishna, he goes to other ladies, but that lady cannot give perfect satisfaction to him. For this regard, she feels pain in her heart. For this regard, she is perform this man. Others is not nothing. And that time she also expressed her external activities as like the walking of the snake. Walking of the snake. Jatha wahi revo mein wo. Wahi means snake. Snake walks as like jig-jigging. In the same way, and beloved, she also acting this role. That is called the real man. Just to give an example, Krishna, when he goes to the Kunja of Chandravali, then Srimati Radhika, she did man angry. Why? Because Srimati Radhika, she knows only I can give exclusive pleasure to Krishna. But Chandravali, she cannot give exclusive pleasure to Krishna. So if Krishna will not get these types of sukha and pleasure, happiness, then Krishna will be happy. And some pain will come in the heart of Krishna. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she did, man, why did you go? In the Chandravali, because Chandravali will not give the perfect pleasure to you. Why did you go? For this regard, Srimati Radhika, this is called the actual man. And so many kinds of man, hetuman, ahetuman, and many kinds of man also. So actual perfect man in Vrindavan, in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Jat kinkrusu bahuso kholu kaku wani nityam parasa purusa sikhanda mole jassa kada rasane devi sobhanu jaya tatkali kunji bhavanangana marjuni sam. Pradhananda Saraswati Pad also explained this verse. And the perfect man in Vrindavan, in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So that is the man is coming in this way. And that time Krishna also explained his different activities. But Srimati Radhika, she did man. But Krishna cannot to pacify the man of Srimati Radhika. Then our Sakhis, Lalita, or others, they also assist to Krishna how to break the man of Srimati Radhika. That is called Manbhanjan Lila. But here, Satyabhama, this is not the man. This is called Manabha. Man automatically like Krishna. Even Krishna will say, tomorrow. Madhava, Mahavada, Koitava. Hey Madhav, I don't want to listen your any, what is it called? What words? Flattering words. Mahavada Koitava. Koitava means flattering word. Charubakko. Very nice, sweet word. I don't want to listen. Mahavada Koitava. Madhava, Madhava Jahi, Mahavada Koitava. Koitava means that is called the flattering word. I don't want to listen. Get out from here. Then Krishna holding the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Mama Sigasi Mandanam. They manifested the very nice, beautiful Lila. And Jadava Singh could not write the last line also. Dehito pada pallava mudaram. Smara Garla Khandanam Mama Sirasi Mandanam. Dehito pada pallava mudaram. Jadava Singh could not write. Then Krishna himself manifested the disguised the form of Jayadev Goswami and wrote this last line. These things also. Yes, Smara Garla Khandanam Mama Sirasi Mandanam. And Krishna, when Srimati Radhika did man anger, then Krishna again and again bow down his forehead, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, and very humble and shedding tears. And but Srimati Radhika did not turn his eyes towards Krishna. So Krishna now saying, Smara Garla Khandanam, and hey Srimati Radhika, please and give up your garal. Garal means bees, then poison. Then your man is as like poison. Hence, Mara Garala Khandanam, Mama Sirasi Mandanam. I completely what surrender and bow down my forehead and unto your lotus feet. But Srimati Radhika still also eh, Srimati Radhika, she did not give her man. Then Krishna heard this saying, Dehi to padapallabam mudaram. Hey, Srimati Radhika manini, Srimati just to decorate your lotus feet on my head. So this type of this Katha cannot Ramchandra cannot say, or Dargadhis Krishna cannot say. Only Varinandana Samdar Krishna he is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. And in this verse, very nice, beautiful also expression. What is saying? A very nice, beautiful katha in there. Why Krishna is saying, Hey Srimati Radhika, your lotus feet is as like the what is called very cool ice, and if you put on my head, then my body will be calm and quiet. And give an example, and as like the what is called Garuda, the career of Lord Vishnu, Garuda. And Garuda, he also catch the snake, and snake cannot pick out his poison. गरुड़ जब स्नेक को माने सर्प के जब पकड़ लेता है, पंजा से पकड़ लेता है, उस समय उनके क्या होता है, गरल जो है विष जो है निकाल नहीं पाते। और गरुड़ के शरीर, एक गरुड़ का स्नेक के शरीर कैसे होता है, कूल होता है, कूल माने ठंडा होता है। उसी प्रकार श्रीमती, that means here also saying in this verse, हे श्रीमती राधिके, your lotus feet as like very cool body of the snake. Understand? So if you press your lotus feet on my head, then all my, what is called? That is called the heat of my last come will be reduced. Because Krishna, what this regard in this verse is saying, yes, Srimati Radhike, your feet are very cool. Just to press your lotus feet on my head, then all my calm, everything you are reduced. And another hand, then all your man rupi garal will be disappear. So this mara garala khandanam dehito padapallabam mudaram. In this way, very nicely also explained. That is called the perfect man and in Braj, in the heart of Srimati Radhika. But Satyabhama, this man is not perfect man. This is called Manavash. Now compare with Lakshmi Devi, because Mahaprabhu loved. When Mahaprabhu saw Lakshmi Devi's these types of activities, because if anybody demand, that is symptom is what? She had to give up her royal dress. But Lakshmi Devi, she is also decorated with a very nice, beautiful royal dress, chewing the betel nut, with her many maid servants, dancing, singing, and playing many kinds of instruments. So what kinds of this man? This is not the man, this is called actual anger, krodh. So in our Shastra explained this is Lakshmi Devi, this is not man, this is called krodh. Krodh means anger. A Satyabhama is also not man, that is called Manabhas. And a Srimati Radhika and Gopis, they are called perfect man. So here also now is showing. Prabhu कहे कह ब्रजेर मानेर प्रकार Sarup Kaye Gopiman Nadi Satadhar. Then Mahaprabhu very eager to listen about Brajman. Because when Sarup Damodar and he explained three kinds of the activities: Lakshmi's anger, Satyabhama's manavas, and Srimati Radhika's or Gopis in Braj, perfect man. So for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Sarup Damodar, and Gopiman Nadi Satadhar, Naikar Sabha Prem Vritte Bahu. And then Sarup Damodar very nicely explained, and Gopis man as like the stream of the river, as like the Ganges, and Ganges also flowing in different of the stream, Satadhar, then meet with ocean. And so in the same way, Sarup Damodar, he explained Gopis man Nadi Satadhar, Naikar Sabha Pramitte Bahubhed, সেই ভেদে নানা প্রকার মানের উদ্ভিদ সম্য গবিকার মান যায় কথন এক দুই ভেদ করি করি দিগ দর্শন মানে কেহ হয় ধীরা কেহ তো অধীরা এই তিন ভেদে হয় ধীরা ধীরা ধীরাকান্ত দূরে দেখি করে প্রত্যুৎখান নিকটে আসিলে করে আসন প্রদান হৃদয়ের কোপ মুখে কহে মধুর বচন প্রিয় আলঙ্গিতে তারে করে আলিঙ্গন সরল ব্যবহার করে মানের পোষণ কিংবা সুলুণ্ঠন বাক্যে প্রিয় নিরসন অধীরা নিষ্ঠুর বাক্যে করে ভৎসন কর্ণোৎপল তাড়ি করে মালার বন্ধন ধীরা ধীর বক্ত বাক্যে করে উপহাস প্রভু স্তুতি কভু নিন্দা কভু উপহাস মধ্যা মুগ্ধা প্রগল্ভা এই তিন নায়িকার ভেদ মুগ্ধা नहीं জানে মানের বৈদগ্ধ বিভেদ মুখ আচ্ছা দিয়া করে কেবল রোদন কান্তে প্রিয় বাক্যে শুনি হয় প্রসন্ন তার মধ্যে সবার স্বভাবে তিন ভেদ কেহ প্রখরা কেহ মৃদু কেহ হয় সমা স্বস্বভাবী কৃষ্ণের বাড়াই প্রেম সীমা প্রাখর্য মাধব সাম্য স্বভাব নির্দোষ সেই সব স্বভাবে কৃষ্ণ করাবে সন্তোষ এত কথা শুনিয়া প্রভুর আনন্দ পার প্রভু কো দামোদর বলে বার বার very nice beautiful this topic is coming maybe tomorrow we'll discuss what kinds of man first you understand the different kinds of gopis and especially Nayak Prakaran and Nayika Prakaran. And Nayak means hero. How many types of hero in Vrindavan? 96 प्रकार के नायक, 96 types of hero, 9. और Nayika heroine, how many? 360. So, how we'll calculate all these things? The Nayaka, Nayika, but here just discuss about different kinds of gopis also there, some also dhira, adhira, and then again divided in three. ধীরাকান্তে দূরে দেখে করে প্রত্যুৎখান নিকটে আসিলে করে আসন প্রদান when she become angry if she look her beloved is coming, just she wakes up and she also gives the seat asan for her beloved, but not talking, little bit anger mood. হৃদয়ে কোপ মুখে কহে মধুর বচন প্রিয় আলঙ্গিত তারে করে আলিঙ্গন. And what is the nature of the Dhirakant? She is very angry, but use very sweet words. When the lover embraced, and she also embraced. সরল ব্যবহার করে মানের পোষণ কিংবা সৌলুণ্ঠন বাক্যে করে প্রিয় নিরসন. Sometimes she also used some one eloquent words. Sৌলুণ্ঠন বাক্য that means some little bit পরিহাস বাক্য. পরিহাস মানে laugh and joke, but very anger mood also. And that is called Bajastuti. Bajastuti glorification, but that glorification not perfect glorification. Eh? Maybe tomorrow we discuss. Very nice, beautiful this katha. What kinds of there? Just give an example. And then Krishna came too late, and that time, and Srimati Radhika she became very angry. Srimati Radhika she told, "Why have you come here? Oh, why have you come here? Where have you come? You have to return back that place. Have you come here?" And in this way, I know you have come from this way. So don't turn back. That is not the truth. And maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. And Vajastuti also. And sometimes saying this, hey Krishna, that means not taking the name of Krishna. Taking name is there. And hey Sivji, why you have come here? And without your consort, and Sati Devi. And in this way, use this that is called Solantan Baka. Little bit some and angry and also use some harsh words and jokes. And so this is called the Manini and the Odhira Nishtud Vakya. Those were Odhira and use very Odhira Adhira Madhya Mugdha Pragalvat Tin Naikar Ved Mugdha Nahi Jane. And next word what is the perfect meaning of man? Because if you have no knowledge about the Naika Prakaran and Naik Prakaran, you may not understand. And for this regard, maybe tomorrow will be discussed and perfect way. What is the meaning, real meaning of man? And different kinds of Naika, they express their heart and Gaur Premanandi, Gaur Premanandi.